So the JavaScript dependencies have been installed and my project is ready. So let's go and cd Supabase React Native. Okay, and we will need to add the Supabase JS. So let's copy and install it. Okay, wonderful. So let's see the project. So you can see there are only a few files here, and let's go to the next instruction. So the next instruction, which is to create a helper file to initialize the Supabase client, we need the app URL and the anon key that are copied earlier, so we can still retrieve it after this. These variables will be exposed on the browser, and that's completely fine since we have role level security. So we'll explain that more when we delve into this topic in our later videos. So first, we need to create the lib folder. So make directory lib, and we need to change directory into it, touch supabase.js. So these are some of the commands. So I'm going to use VS Code directory. So currently I can see this file, and I'm going to copy these and paste it here. Okay, wonderful.